What's going on, everyone? Ali Akbar here. Every single day on this channel, I teach you how to build a real e-commerce business using white label dropshipping. Today, we're going to be talking about a very special business. This business has earned $101,000 to $270,000 in revenue. We're going to be walking through everything: the suppliers, the competitor stores, the ads, the revenue. You're going to be looking at how they price their product, how they sell their product, how you can enter this business with dropshipping, how you can actually put your logo on it and sell it. We'll look at the market demand, the top angles to test, and the scaling roadmap. And if you're new to this channel, we actually featured this business a little while ago. We added it to our watch list a few days back so that students, part of the community, could start launching it early. And now this business has made it to white label, which means you will have a ready to launch version of this to work with under your own brand. With one click, you can import this into ShopFunnels or Shopify and launch it as your own. And I'll talk about that towards the end of the video. But first, let's learn about what this new opportunity is and what it could mean for you as a complete beginner with e-commerce and dropshipping. Before we start, remember, we don't build e-commerce businesses from scratch. That's for beginners who want to lose money. All right, we find stores that are already proven, just like this one. We white label them and we launch them under our own brand. Welcome to White Label Dropshipping on Daily E-commerce, and let's get into it. I found a store doing something that I've never seen before in e-commerce. A company called Orivo is selling a pair of earbuds, but not for music and calls, but for hearing restoration. They use a 650 nanometer red light therapy, something called photobiomodulation. This is the entire process. This targets the hair cells in your inner ear and helps you restore your hearing. They're selling this device for $97 with a 90-day money-back guarantee, and according to Winning Hunter, which we can take a look at right here, they're generating anywhere between $180,000 to $270,000 every single month. And what's even more important is their visitors over time is increasing, and that means that this business is actively scaling. And 100% of their traffic comes from the United States, which means that's clearly their target market. And from our research, this is the only product that they're selling. And that's why we like one product dropshipping brands. We know what country that they're selling to, and we know what they're selling. So we know exactly the type of market that we have to target with this particular product. Another thing that's unique about this is the amount of ads that they're running. They're running 980 different ads. This is one of the most aggressive advertisers that we've actually covered on this channel. And the product targets one of the most emotionally charged buyer demographics in all of e-commerce, right? Seniors aged 55 to 80 plus were losing their hearing. Our research reveals that approximately 48 million Americans have hearing loss, right? 1 in 3 adults over 65. And these are people who can't hear, their grandchildren, who are being isolated from family conversations. Those that have spent a lot of money on hearing aids are uncomfortable, right? And they don't work the way that they would. Now, you come in here offering them a $97 device that claims to support their hearing naturally without any side effects, prescriptions, or audiologist appointments, right? So your pitch here is 20 minutes a day of red light therapy, and you're going to start getting some of your natural hearing back. And that emotional intensity of the buyer is probably going to push them over the edge and go ahead and get your product purchased. I'm going to go ahead and open up some of the advanced research that we've done for this particular product and go over some of their business model stats that we found. It's a one-time hardware purchase at $97 to $100 with 77% gross margins on dropshipping and the same on private label. On the back end, what they're doing is selling a $33 lifetime warranty upsell that costs essentially nothing to fulfill and runs at a 90% margin. When you purchase this product, you're not just purchasing this product, they've also created an entire value proposition. They've built $400 of value stacks with PDFs that cost $0 to produce. So the customer feels like they're getting in a huge package for under $100. What we've done inside white label dropshipping is rebuilt this entire business, and we allow you to launch this replica that we've created. I'm just going to go ahead and put them side by side. We allow you to launch this replica that we've created with your logo, with the product, with the suppliers, with everything done for you. And we've included that in our version, we've actually put in some compliant language, has proper disclaimers, and positioned as a hearing wellness support device rather than making unsubstantiated medical claims, because we don't want you to get in trouble when you're running this business. And my goal with this video is simple: to walk you through all of the data, the competitor's entire strategy, the sourcing costs, everything, so that you understand that you as a beginner can go ahead, launch this product, make some money. And the fastest way to launch it is with white label dropshipping, because we've basically done everything for you. So let's get into it. Now, some people have trouble believing that a pair of wireless earbuds that don't actually do anything but heal you can have the potential to make $180,000 to $270,000 in revenue. And if you are feeling like that, just look at the number of ads that are ran for this particular product, 980 different ads. As somebody who's ran multiple different ads and has scaled brands past 6 and 7 figure, I can personally attest to how difficult it is to actually get past 20, 30, 50, 100 ads. Once you're past 100 ads, you're already at that 6-figure revenue level. They're at 900 different results for their particular products, okay? This is easily hitting those revenue markers, and you can, because think about the audience that lives on Facebook, right? The audience that lives on Facebook, they are people that are a little bit older. They are people that are hard of hearing, and they've been probably seeing red light therapy devices being pushed for everything. And red light therapy as a concept, as a market, has been expanding, and people are using red light therapy for shoulder pain. People are using red light therapy for weight loss. People are using red light therapy for pets, right? They're just taking that same technology and that same marketing angle, but for hearing, which is a huge untapped market. So making this type of money is not just possible, someone's proven that you can actually do it. Another thing to understand is big money is only made in big markets. Our research estimates that 48 million Americans have some form of hearing loss, and 1 in 3 adults over 65, nearly half of everyone over 75, is one of your potential target markets. And what are their current options to alleviate this? It's prescription hearing aids that cost $2,000 to $8,000, which they might still be using, but that's a hearing aid, not something that's actually helping them heal hearing. So everybody who's actually purchased a hearing aid will also be your target customer, because they kind of want to rely on it less, right? They don't want to be completely deaf when it isn't on. Another stat that's important to understand is adults over 65 are the fastest growing demographic on Facebook, and they're heavy users of it. So when you run like advertorial style funnels, which this business is doing, and I'll show you a little bit, they are the most receptive to that type of information, and they're easier to convert because they have disposable income. What this business does is they run traffic to pages like this, where they're showing how this product works at healing your ears, right? And so that older demographic, they're much more likely to go through all of this research to understand what's being sold, and they're then much more likely to go ahead and purchase the product, right? So this is the two-step system that this business is using, and that's why it works, because the audience that they're targeting is really receptive to this form of system. One powerful marketing angle that's going to work really, really well for you is you're not just saying that we're going to help you hear better, which is what most people with devices say. You're going to say that we're going to help restore your healing. These are two very different things. Why do beauty products and anti-aging products sell so well? They sell so well on Facebook and all of these other places. It's because you give them ears back, right? This is the same approach to hearing. And your marketing can take shots at hearing aids, which is, pushed a lot on this older demographic, because you can basically say that a hearing aid is a band-aid. Yes, it's good to stop the bleeding right now, but you need to basically go ahead and address the root cause. That's what our product does, right? It addresses the root cause, it gets the hearing restored, and that's what you truly need to be able to be successful. Once your potential customer hears that language, that's what's going to go ahead and convert them. And we did some research on photobiomodulation, the technology this is used, right? It is a real research technology. NASA has actually funded research on red light and cellular regeneration. And there are legitimate applications in wound healing, pain management, cellular repair, right? The science behind this isn't some fugazi science. This is actually real. You'd be helping people. Another thing that I really like about this is that it is very easy for an older person to use this, right? They just put this on their neck, they put it in their ear, and it works. It's not some complicated setups. A lot of these hearing aids, they have tons of tech and complicated setups, and when they put it on, it works, it doesn't work, you're going to have less customer complaints coming in just because of how easy it is, more customer adoption, better testimonials, and a better experience overall. Now, our main competitor here is Arrivo. Now, when I say competitor, you're not going to be competing directly with them. What we do at White Label Dropshipping is we find businesses that have already validated and proven a business model that we want to get into, right? They've already figured out what product works, what audience works, what ad works. Our only job is to go ahead, clone all of their assets, and present our brand forward. Having more brands in the market is good for customers because it means that they have more choice. It's good for us because it means that we have a proven model that works. We're not, blindly testing anything, and we're going into the market with an ad that works, a product that works, a funnel system that works, and we're going to get conversions. So let's go ahead and study Arrivo and their entire brand. The brand's name is Arrivo, but their product's name is called Rehear. So it's basically helping you heal your or restore your hearing. That's why they call it Rehears. And Arrivo actually runs multiple different storefronts. They have Arrivo.us, they have Shop Hears, they have Get Arrivo, they have Try Arrivo. All of these different storefronts have different pricing and layouts, and they're A/B testing at scale so that it distributes the risk. If one domain gets flagged, they have their business running on multiple different domains. This is just one that we're tracking. Let's do some deep dive into our competitors' advertising strategy. What I see just from afar is a ton of testimonial usage, right? They're basically relying on the fact that they're either getting people's testimonials or showing just how other people are reacting to this working, right? Look at this. Louder isn't clearer. A lot of people don't want loud noises. They just want clear hearing. Almost every ad has some version of, I honestly didn't believe my hearing could improve, but just in days, every sound is sharper without constantly asking people to repeat themselves. I was amazed at how simple and effective this is. All of this stuff, right? They found a winning formula to get a stranger, convert them into somebody who's interested, get them on their website, get them interested in learning about the product, and then they convert that interest into a buyer. They figured this system out. Now, after going through all of this research, we've actually come out and found the 6 main angles that they're using, right? And this is it. Reconnect with your family, frustrated with hearing aids, people hear ringing in their ears, which is driving them insane. And so this will get rid of that. It's a gift for somebody elderly, the NASA science hook, and the veteran story. These are 6 angles that are common across them. And these are the ones that you're going to test first. Now, this was interesting, right? So when you click learn more on any of their pages, you're taken to something like this, right? Top audiologist reveals the forbidden NASA discovery protocol for hair cell resurrection that's helping 93% over 60 hear like they're 30 again. Now, I don't think anything was forbidden. I don't think anything was restricted, but the American people sometimes have a little bit of a mistrust with their government, and they do think that there is technology that is being hidden from them. This is a play on that marketing to get somebody interested and to get somebody feeling like a little bit of FOMO that they now have access to something that was kept from them. And by using this hook, they're going ahead and explaining to them how the product works, right? So if you may have been wrong about permanent hearing loss, right? 4 stages of hearing cell hibernation. What ends up happening to your ears? What was the research and what did it reveal, right? The only device that awakens the cells, right? 847 people were tested for 90 days. Here's what happened. These are the real results. This is the difference that it's being making. What's happening is scientifically, and they're practically giving it away because the technology is $25K worth. You're only getting for $99. And there's 0 risk, but everything to gain because you're fully backed by a 90-day money back guarantee. It's going to run out. You have 2 choices. Make the right choice, buy it for $99. When somebody's done with all of this, and there's an order now, only 147 devices remaining. When somebody's done going through all of this information, they're more likely to go ahead and make that purchase decision. Then when you go to order now, you're taken to a one product. When you're done going through a sales page like this, right, and you've decided, this is what you want to do, you hit this, and then you're taken to the sales page, which is where most of their traffic is going to. This is where, again, they've removed the menu, they've removed all of the distractions, which most Shopify stores have, and they just have one thing. even the last page, it didn't have anything else. It doesn't have a menu. It doesn't have a home, an about us, a tracking. All of the things that you think you need to be able to convert someone isn't there. It's been removed because a confused mind never buys. If there's only one choice to make, you're going to either say yes or no. If you're going to say no, you're going to say no. But if you're going to say yes, you're going to be moving forward, right? What happens in Shopify stores, because there's a menu, there's a about us, there's a blog, there's a contact us page. What Shopify stores do is they take people that may have bought something from you and they then turn them into browsers. Okay, this is not that. If somebody is in buying mode, it keeps them in buying mode because there's only a few buttons and the buttons only move you forward. And so they move from page 1 to page 2. And this is what ends up happening, right? Hearing aids failed you. Try the light-driven alternative that helps restore what you lost. This is everything, right? And then you get 60% off only today. You hit this and you go ahead and make a purchase. And even this page is designed for ultimate conversions, right? Hearing aids have failed you. Try this, right? To restore what you've lost. Okay, try your restoration journey. This is how it restores. This is what it works like. This is how people are using it. This is what you're going to experience in 4 weeks, right? There's a 90-day money-back guarantee. We ship from the US, us versus them, real-life users, real-life testimonials, right? Everything you get as part of it, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3, order today, right? Special discounted pricing, right? All of that, frequently asked questions. And there's no distraction here. Everything on this page is purposely put in that position, in that place to make a conversion. And so that you think you're getting an insane deal, they actually mix together physical and digital products to go ahead and upscale the value. So it doesn't feel like you're getting something for $99. You're actually buying something for $800, but you're getting it for $99. That's why they can advertise a huge price. And that's why it feels like they're practically giving it away for free. Now, what I've showed you in this short video is a step-by-step blueprint of how someone's taken a cool tech friendly product, found a market that actually will purchase products from them, found a market that will pay over $100 to go ahead and purchase from them, and a market that you can actively scale ads in, right? And so to launch this particular product, there's only really 2 choices. Either what you can start doing right now is go through this, start doing your own research, start looking at marketing angles, start trying to find dropshipping suppliers, start to put everything together, then build this page, then build the second page, then make sure all the tech is right, then get the ads, then put the media buying and then launch. And by that time, there may be a ton of people who've already beaten you to it, or you never get to the finish line, versus our approach with white label dropshipping. Now, if you were early, you would have already gotten it in the watch list and you would have already started selling it. But if you are coming in now, you can actually import this entire funnel into your account. What I showed you in the start is we've actually gone ahead, not just built the second page, but we've also built the first page right here. So both these pages are ready to go, right? We've actually cloned both pages from their competitor because this is what's working for them. And so this is what's going to work for us, right? When you click here, you're taken to the second page, which is this, again, a 1 product funnel. This can be very easily imported into your Shopify or ShopFunnels account inside of 1 click. Over here, you have everything from the supplier to the competitor store to all of the research, the pricing, everything you're going to need to launch. So the first thing is you get your website downloaded into your account. You come right here and we go ahead and create ads for you. We will actually go ahead and create ads for you. And then you go here, you book a call with our media buyer, and we'll go ahead and get your business launched. We take months and months of work and compress it into something that you can realistically achieve within a week. And so that's white label dropshipping. And we do this every single week. Every single week, there are new stores that are being added. We added this store that did 300,000 right now. We've added a store that's done over $6 million in revenue yesterday. All of them are beginner friendly. All of them are validated, and all of them are ready for you to launch. Not only that, you get access to all of our programs as a result of getting access to this one. You get access to our AI vault, which is an entire army of AI employees that's ready to launch for you. You get access to weekly calls with me in person, live, looking at your account and making sure you're doing everything right. So that's enough of the pitch for white label dropshipping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found the product cool. Hope you guys find our community cool, and come on, join us and launch this. I mean, if you join today, you could probably get this launched very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.